Good morning, students. Hope you are keeping fine at home. Is it? Please be at home. Stay safe. Please take today Poetry Magic, your book Poetry Magic. Today we will discuss from Poetry Magic, and you can open page 8. Page 8. In this page, we have a poem. The poem is Holidays. Now, the moment we hear holidays, the news of holiday or information holidays, we are excited. We start talking, we discussing, and the silence is broken because of the excitement, both internal excitement and outside excitement. Hope you understand this. So, holiday is something joyful. Why do we need holiday? By the way, we need holidays because we need to prepare for the next phase of our work. We are quite busy during the weeks, and in between, the holidays is given. Holiday is not just to sleep away from our work and do nothing, but it's a preparation for the next phase of the holiday, for the work, whatever work we are assigned to, and therefore it is not a free day. Holiday is not a free day, but surely it lightens our burden because we don't have to go to school. We can do our own anything, whatever we want, we can do it. So you see in this poem, everything is given what all things we can do. And what is holiday? Holidays is happy go lucky days, off out and about days, lazy lie in bed days, in front of the TV days, do as you please days, away to the sea days, you can choose that to do what to do days, school's over, we are free days. I told it is not free day. You have responsibility to complete. Surely you can take it easy. You don't have to do, or you have to complete the work in time. You don't have to follow any rules and regulations, but personal rules and regulations must be followed. And so holidays are a lucky day. You say, luckily we got holiday because I have to complete my homework. We say, no, there is exam. Today is holiday. So I will sit and study, prepare. It is lucky. Go out and go out, off out, go out around the town and cities days. It's an off day, nothing to do. Some feel that. Some feel that, oh, I'll sleep. I'll sleep whole day. I'll tell you, the student's life is not a bed of rose, It's not a bed of rose. So you should not sleep off, I said earlier also. I told. So lazy students, they will see lazy lie in bed days. Yes, you can take some 45 minutes or 1 hour extra sleep, but you should be prompt enough to get up and fresh up, do your work, have nice breakfast, and so on. Don't laze around. Don't linger around. Okay? Don't linger around or don't laze over on the bed. You should be prompt enough to do anything. Promptness is the good sign of a good student. So in front of the TV days, surely you can spend sometimes in front of the TV, but don't be potato couch. Don't be potato couch. Whole day spending uselessly. Do as you please days. Whatever you like, you can do it, but with responsibility, I have told. Away to the sea days. Surely we are not in the coastal region. Those who are in the coastal region, they can go to the beaches, whole day spend and come back in the evening. That we cannot do. Some of you manage to do by going to Diga and all that, but not always and for everybody. So you can go to the sea beaches, spend, relax, and come back. You can choose what to do is, yes, you don't have any rules, no period, second period, third period, no assembly and all that. Okay. So it is whatever you please, you can do it, but always I say with responsibility. School's over, we are free. So school is over, no school. We are free. Yes, we are free. But it's a freedom for preparation. Freedom for preparation for the next work. And so that's why holidays are there. Holidays are not to be lazy around, doing nothing, but but get ready for the next. Get boosted for the next. That is the so how you spend your holidays, it depends upon you. Holidays, no rules and regulations, but you are not free from studies, you are not free from responsibilities. That means what you must do, you should do. For example, if you have not completed your homework, do some homework and then leave off, so that next day when you come to the class, you have a free mind, no tension of punishment. Okay. So whether you are punished or not punished, you should be prompt enough to complete your work. A student who completes his work in time is always what call is always encouraged, is liked by all, by parents, by teachers, by anybody, and he does well in his studies also. And so today, when we read, let me read once again. Holidays, go happy go lucky days, off out and about days, lazy lie in bed days, in front of the TV days, do as you please days, away to the sea days, you can choose what to do days, school's over, we are free day. So this poem you don't have to learn. What you have to do is listen. What you have to do is write about the holidays you spend, how you spend your holidays. Nowadays we are holidays, no, with responsibilities. We have our classes now. So you must be getting a lot of videos. Go through, open your book, and learn the instructions. That is. So here, how you will write one paragraph about holidays. How you spend your holidays. Do you go to the sea beach or sit in front of the TV? And what all things you do? So many things you must be doing. And so write a paragraph based on this lesson. Based on this lesson, you write a paragraph of one page, one and a half page also you can write. But at least I expect you to write one page. How you spend your what is holidays, why we need holidays, and all that, and whether you should have holiday or not. At the end, your in your conclusion, you should write whether you need we should have holidays or not. Why and why? All those things you please mention. Can you do that? I hope you can do it. And that's why I'm telling you, it's an easy topic. Okay? So that is how you will be asked in the exam also to write like this. say, as write a summary or a story form or a paragraph. But I'm telling you, write a paragraph on holidays, how you spend your holidays. Okay, stay safe. Bye.